Hey book friends! Today I'll be reading Dog and Friends on the Farm. Let's see what the dog does on the farm and who his friends are. Here we go. Dog plays with the sheep and lambs. So the sheep are the dog's friends. Yeah, and look, they're running around the hills. Yes, with the sheep and lambs. He goes to see the farm cat and her kittens. Oh, there goes the mama cat. And she has 3 kittens. And they're all sleeping. There goes dog paying a little visit. Yeah, the cat and the dog are friends on the farm. And what else do you see? The owl. My favorite bird, the owl. They go hoo, hoo. Gotta be very quiet for the sleeping kittens. Dog has a drink with the pigs. Oh, they're slurping away. Yes. And there go 3 pigs. 1, 2, 3. This one's not drinking. But there goes doggy. Drinking with the pigs. Gotta drink water. Splashes with the ducklings. Oh, dog likes to splash with the ducklings. Yes. They go quack, 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 quack. And they splash. There goes dog. You can see all his legs in the water splashing. And snoozes with hen and her chicks. Oh, it's been a long day on the farm. And now dog is snoozing away with the hen and the chicks. There's 3 of them. And look, they're snoozing. They're sleeping. Yes, they're resting for the next day on the farm. Oh, that's the end. Yay! Did you like this cute book about Dog and his farm friends? Yeah, I did too. Until next time, bye book friends.